The trouble code P1300 is a very tricky code in older Fiat vehicles. In many scanners, you will see the description saying self-teaching trigger wheel fault. As far as I understand, the self-teaching trigger wheel is something from the throttle assembly, and this thing should calibrate on its own when you drive. After any throttle body repairs, cases when the battery was disconnected, issues with air intake, etc. But the thing is that it doesn't calibrate on its own, and you will see the check engine light, and in some vehicles it may also beep annoyingly and distract you from driving. Other than that, the car should be fine. So in this case, you should do the following. Warm up your car by driving it for several minutes. Stop the vehicle and don't turn off the engine. Rev up the engine over 5000 RPMs and hold it there for about 3 seconds. Repeat this 3 times. After you do this, the self-teaching trigger wheel should calibrate and the check engine light will disappear. The funniest thing is that you can't reset this code even with a good Fiat compatible scanner. Of course, this is not the only possible thing that triggers the P1300 code, so there may be some issues with the air intake or throttle body, but in my experience I could always reset it with this weird but very simple procedure.